Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Portland Pressure Washer. We got this at the parking lot sale. It is an open box item. We had a few problems with it. I just want to go over a quick way to fix it. If you guys are having this type of problem, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more to reviews to deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Basically we have the pressure washer here. Alright, the problems that we had, alright, basically what happened is that we noticed that this wand wasn't actually from this pressure washer. So the first problem that we have with this was that we couldn't get this hose to fit in here. So what we had to do is we had to push it with a lot of pressure. It took a lot of force to put it in there and settled in there, and then it finally came down and latched that nozzle there. But yeah, it worked. It was just real hard to push in there. So if yours is real hard to push in there, it's normal. Alright, the next problem that we had with this pressure washer was with this wand. I figured out it was the wand because the pressure washer, when I pushed the trigger, it wouldn't turn on. It would just turn on for a little bit and then just turn off. And if you put the trigger, you will get no water here. And basically what we did is we took this part out. We had it like this. We took this part out. Once we took this part out and then we pressed the trigger, then we started getting water out of here. So we figured out that this was clogged. So what we did, that on the owner's manual there's a wire that you can use, something like that. Something like this in the owner's manual. Obviously it's not like this because we already twisted it. But this is for plugging it in here. See that hole there? And it just goes right in there. Sorry. See, and it just goes right in there. I don't know if you guys would see it or not. So I'll try to. So it does go right in there. And you can take this all the way in there, and it should just go in there, and you can unclog the tip. The problem we had with that is that when I pushed this in there, I couldn't get it all the way in there. It kept getting stuck. So what I did to solve that problem is I got some pliers. I took just about the end there and then just shoved it in there as like that. Preferably some needle nose pliers would work better. You take the wire in there and then you shove it in there like that. When you shove it in there like that, you're putting more force with this than with your bare hand. So you're shoving it in there and you're putting a lot more force, and you're forcing it to unclog. That's the way you unclog this pressure washer. Can't get the hole in there. Also, if you want to take this off, you can take this off, I believe. Just unscrew like that. So just unscrew like that, and then you can take this off. And you can take these tabs off too if you want to take them off. All you need is a screwdriver. Just pry it up, then pry this one up, and then just remove it like that. Very easy to take off. But like I said, just this is easier to unclog. So if your pressure washer doesn't have a lot of water, it's just dripping here, means that you have some type of settlement in there, some type of minerals that are clogging, or a small rock that's clogging this up. So like I said, just take this with some pliers and unclog it, and you're pretty much all set. and make sure you rinse it with water, and make sure you see a small dot. I don't know if you guys could see it from there or not on the camera, but you could see a small dot on the inside of this, and if you see the dot, it's nice and clear. Anyways, just thought I want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.